Zenia here, founder of Swift Movement Academy. This is a tabletop tap down, so we're going to use this as an initiation for learning how to brace through our core and maintain a strong sort of hollow body position through our movements. So you're going to lay down on your back, bend your knees up at 90 degrees. The goal here is to flatten the spine and press the lower back into the ground. We don't want to be pressing so hard that we're rolling up, but we do want to be flat through that spine. Make sure that our knees are not tucked up, but they are out here. You can place your hands there if you need for some support, but you should feel your back if it's on the ground or not. From here, it's then tap one leg, tap other leg. Making sure when we do that, we don't curl our opposite leg in. We just tap down from where we are. Obviously, to progress this, you would go longer with that leg or double leg.